we got Nikki Reed here from the Smiley Morning Show. And actually, you're a producer, Will, of a different variety. You produce results. This is Will Sadler. He's with Transitions of Indiana. Thanks both for being here. Good to see you again, cuz.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Okay, I've been talking to you for quite some time. I know Darren and at PAI and all the people at Transitions. What is she doing? What is this? What is this? Why her?
So this is Nikki. She's from WZPL 99.5. The Smiley Morning Show, and so Nikki has been having some trouble with her hair growing. So, the way the Transitions works, it's we kind of look at not just hair loss, but also individuals that are struggling with their hair growing and from being damaged. And Nikki, I don't know if you want to explain a little bit about that.
Yeah, well, I mean, one of the things I'm kind of known for is changing my hair color quite a bit, doing a lot
aware.
of. I mean, but so it's been a lot of fun for me. But sometimes we make choices with our hair that ends up damaging it, or also a lot of styling tools like straighteners and stuff like that, which I do it all the time. I found myself with hair that was damaged further than I'd ever done it before, and it just stopped growing.
Oh, all right. So it like rebelling.
Yes, pretty much. It just went, no.
Okay.
I've had enough of you. And I meet women all the time, whether it's hormone changes or chemo or pregnancy, that it changes the way your hair grows and what you're used to. So what Transitions can do is find solutions for all of that kind of stuff.
Okay, and they found a solution for her.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Which is?
So right now, if you want to look at the video as well,
there we go.
We actually have laser hair therapy.
Cool shades.
Nikki's also using pharmaceutical grade products, also doing scalp treatments. Taking all of this and using a global approach to being able to help with the damaged hair is really going to help out a lot with giving a best environment for the hair to really thrive and grow.
Okay, and I mean, I've talked to people, I know Don Stock and Gunner and JMV, and I know what their results are, but I don't talk to that many women who've had something. So what's your response to what's happened so far?
I mean, I've been doing a lot of the laser treatments and also the scalp treatments, and I've seen what I consider it to be more good hair days than bad now, where it's relaxed.
Well, then that's all we can ask for, right?
It's grown already a little bit, and it's something that, as I continue the process, it's only going to get better. And I think for women especially, we don't think there are solutions. We go, well, men have hair problems. I have to live with this.
Right.
But you don't. You can actually fix it.
And she's a fantastic situation where you don't wait until it's painfully obvious or, I mean, socially stymieing, that sort of thing, where it's impacting your life because you don't want to go out, you don't want to do things, you don't want to try to style your hair.
Exactly. The sooner you catch it, the better off you are. And that's a prime example of what Nikki's done here. And Nikki's actually scheduled here soon to be also going in and doing one of our newer treatment options, which is PRP, Platelet Rich Plasma. So I know she's very excited about that.
I've heard explain a little of that.
So with PRP, we've been doing this for a couple years now, actually 2 or 3 years now, and having really, really good results with that. But with regards to our new PRP, there's this 5-step guide that we actually utilize with it. We get a 5 times concentration of platelets, which is essential for giving the best healing properties. We use an FDA certified centrifuge to be able to yield those results. We also use a Zimmer cryo chiller, which allows for the ease and comfort of our patients and our clients there to be able to make this a better experience. And the 5th step of everything is just going to someone that actually specializes in this. And Transitions has been specializing in this for over 20 years. And this is all we do, Tracy. All we do is hair restoration.
Can you put a room temperature beer in the cryo chiller?
It'll come out frozen.
Okay. But this is
a slushy.
Nikki is basically providing her own best medicine for this to optimize, right?
Exactly.
Yes.
Yep. So Nikki will be using her own body's platelets and stem cells to help with stimulating the follicles at the root to really get to that main source of why your hair is damaged.
Okay. Have you noticed, is the hair any different than you were accustomed to when you, I don't want to say younger, but before maybe you were doing as much to your hair? I
mean, I would say that it feels more like it was when it was my natural color and my natural, texture and all of those things. So it's relaxing and it's, I cry a lot less.
Tears of joy.
These are not tears of joy.
So people just need to make the phone call, right? There's no commitment.
Absolutely. Just call us 317-522-2991 or visit us at transitionsindy.com. We actually also have a special offer going as well. You get $250 off your PRP treatment. The biggest thing that I want everyone to know is that this isn't just for men. This is something for women too. If you think that Transitions isn't right for you, you're not bald, That's not true. We're here to help out anyone from all different ranges.
Consultation. It's free. There's no commitment. At least get the information. There's no better way to arm yourself with what your options are than to know what those options are, right?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
You got it.
All right. We got the links on INDYSTYLE.TV. Good to see you again.
Good seeing you.
Good to see you again. Glad you made it here. All right. Nikki's Quickies. 99.5 WZPL.
I just like that she says it's not something that you have to live with. Like, you can do something
see what the options
about
are.
it, especially with women. You hear about men, you know, quite a bit, but gosh darn it, women have to deal with it too.
Absolutely,
so
both ways
there you
there,
go.
so.